Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make your Xiaomi 13 louder. So there is two ways for it. First one is by the settings, then go to the sound and slide down to the sound effects. Now go to the graphic equalizer, remember to switch on the Dolby Atmos before, and in the graphic equalizer go to the custom and just use all of the sliders to the up. And that was our first method. Now just check your volume power and decide that way was enough for you. If not, you can also try to download Volume Booster app. So go to the Google Play Store and look for this app and install it, of course. Then go to the no thank you 3 times and just close window. Click OK. And to boost your volume speaker, use that slider to increase or decrease the booster power. And that's it. If you want to stop this service, just open the app again and choose stop service and OK. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.